Alright, I just want to show you something I learned. This is a little Brinks home security fire safe. I know they're cheap, you know, and you can probably get into it with a hammer if you'd want to. But I learned a little trick because I'm getting into lock picking, and I didn't realize how easy it was to, you know, kind of just break into these. I made up a little tool here. It's a little like lock picking picker I made out of a bobby pin. Just put a few curves on there, put some electrical tape for a little handle, way it didn't hurt my fingers. And this here is just like a little fingernail tool, you know, a little fingernail pick and file. It's just the best thing I got to help me with it. It works pretty good actually. So let me try to get the camera set up here. I'll show you. Get that propped up there. Find something to get this on. I'm sorry, camera fell. Don't want to stay. Alright. So you can see it's locked. It's not going to open. This thing doesn't turn, you know, freely. What I'm going to do is get this in there on the pins and then just put a little bit of pressure turn wise, and then just wiggle that back and forth, and bam, it's open. You can even use the same trick to lock it back. It's great, you know, if you lost your key or, you know, something along them lines. Or I just want to know how to pick the damn lock, because that's how I am. I thought I had it there. It's that simple.